Welcome back to the L-gic channel. Nothing ruins a cozy movie night or gaming session faster than a smudged and dirty TV screen. If you don't clean it regularly, fingerprints and dust can accumulate over time, making it harder to enjoy your screen time. That being said, through this tutorial, we will show you how to properly and safely clean most LED, QLED, OLED, LCD, plasma TVs, and even computer monitors, so that at all times your screen stays crystal clear. Before we dive in, take a moment to check your TV manufacturer's care instructions. It's a quick step that helps you clean safely and also avoid any costly mistakes. Now, let's get it clean. To clean your TV, you will need 3 simple items. Number 1, microfiber cloths. Keep a couple on hand, one for wiping and one for drying. Number 2, distilled water. Perfect for gentle, streak-free cleaning. And number 3, a melamine foam sponge, also known as a magic eraser. These are great for removing stubborn spots on special models such as the Frame TV or Serif TV. And that's it, just 3 simple items. You might be wondering, can I use my regular glass cleaner? And the answer is no. Avoid using harsh chemicals like glass cleaner, ammonia, alcohol, or abrasive products because these can damage your screen's coating. Also, never spray liquid directly onto your screen. Always dampen your cloth first and use gentle pressure to avoid damaging pixels or causing clouding. Now, to clean your TV, first, turn the TV off. Let it cool for a few minutes and unplug the power cord for safety. Using a dry microfiber cleaning cloth, gently wipe the frame from top to bottom. If your TV frame is really dusty, feel free to use a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove the excess before wiping. Next, wipe the screen using an overlapping S pattern from top to bottom. Remember, TV screens are delicate, so avoid pressing too hard. Check your TV from an angle to spot any stubborn streaks, and gently wipe them away if needed. For stubborn smudges or fingerprints, lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with a few drops of distilled water and gently wipe the area. If you have a model like the Frame TV or Serif TV with a reflective, glare-reducing surface, wipe the spot with the dampened microfiber cloth first. Then, gently clean the area with the melamine foam sponge before the water dries. Finally, allow the TV to air dry fully before plugging it back in and turning it on. And there you have it, a spotless, streak-free TV. Your movie night just got a serious upgrade. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we'll show you how to safely clean your remote control, an item that's often overlooked but collects a lot of germs. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. You can visit the link in the description box below for our other tutorials. And don't forget, cleaning is a family affair. See you next time, and as always, let's get it clean.